This opportunity of welcoming each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand unveiling of Society Interiors and Design, one of the most renowned magazines in the world of architecture, interior designing, and at the same time, the world of reality. The world of real estate has been ruling not just in our country, but across the world. And what a phenomenal feeling of having four of our distinguished actors who joined us here today for this grand unveiling. It's time for us to truly thank the one and only Nari Hira sir, whose presence is always there with us. And it is only Ashok sir, the blessings of Nari Hira sir, that we are carrying on with this real grand celebration every now and then. Ladies and gentlemen, my humble thanks to the one and only, the very dynamic gentleman of Magnet Publishing, Mr. Ashok Damankar sir, who's very beautifully carrying the legacy forward. And at the same time, allowing all of us to be the best version. To those who are into the world of architecture, designing, as well as reality. So who's on the cover page, ladies and gentlemen? It's time for us to congratulate Vardhaman Group on the cover page with their brilliant projects here at the city of Mumbai and all across the country. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to congratulate both the father and the son duo. So let's give it up for Bipin A. Mehta ji, the chairman emeritus, and Sahil Bipin Mehta, his son, who are truly owning the very brilliant Vardhaman reality. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the group has truly made sure that's all about the sophistication taking place in the times of today, at the same time, sustainability and functionality, which is the need of the hour. So it's time for us to truly congratulate both of them to make sure that they really satisfy and give that space to every individual to have that perfect, happy feeling. Because we owe it all to the world of real estate, जहाँ हमें वो खूबसूरत घर मिलते हैं और हम खुशी से उस स्पेस में रहते हैं, ऑफिस स्पेस में रहते हैं. We truly owe our happiness to the world of real estate, interior designers and the architects. So may we please have a loud round of applause for the cover page and congratulate both of them. They were supposed to be here with us, but due to some emergency, they are unable to make it. But nevertheless, we are friends from the media. So आज सारा world देख रहा है और सुन रहा है that we have their project on the cover page. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for all of us to put our hands together for the one and only from Magnet Publishing, our living legend. Well, he's been ruling the world of not just media and the film world, but also the world of interior designing, allowing students to get real great access to all those legends in the world of real estate and interior designing, and at the same time giving them the right training. Let's give it up for the one and only Mr. Ashok Damankar as we request you to join us here. Thank you so much. Our very talented editor, may we please welcome Swati Balgi. Swati, thank you so much. We're very excited to take a look at everyone who's been featured in the magazine and about the latest whereabouts, because this is summertime, vacation time. So pretty just like everyone, we try to redo or do something new with our beautiful space. So it's very, very special. So thank you so much. So are we ready, everyone, to meet our superstars? Everybody?
Yeah, ready.
Loud cheer?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the most awaited moment. Winning hearts right from being an inspector in Sarfarosh to Koi Mil Gaya to, ladies and gentlemen, innumerable films, not just in our Bollywood film fraternity, but also in South. Personality, ladies and gentlemen, which is very rich, and at the same time, जो उन्हें एक बार देखते हैं और उनसे मिलते हैं, उनके दीवाने हो जाते हैं. हम भी उनके दीवाने हैं. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं, ladies and gentlemen, our living legend, Mr. Mukesh Rishi. Please, thank you so much. Sorry, I'll correct myself. Our young living legend, Mukesh Rishi ji. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful feeling as we have the very, very pretty girl sitting here. And right from the music album that she played, well, let me tell you, न सिर्फ directors, producers, but her दिल की धड़कन आज तक है वो. जी हाँ, with a beautiful, lovely girl next door that she played and danced with a beautiful classical act in Mohabbatein. She's still winning hearts. Maybe please put hands together for the supremely pretty, the gorgeous, and supremely talented, and now also a very renowned entrepreneur. Let's give it up for Preeti Jangiani. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Pro Punjab League is creating waves across the world. And besides that, the one who's been ruling not just the Bollywood films, but also English films. And more than that, the real game changer is when his performance live. Right, ladies and gentlemen, right from his performance to becoming a producer, to getting into the world of sports with Pro Panchali. Maybe please welcome Parveen the Boss. Thank you so much, Parveen. Thank you for joining us here. And सजना कहते कहते हमने तो सच में उसी को अपना सजना माना है, and now she's absolutely excited to recreate one of the most amazing classic. फिलहाल राज को राज रखते हैं, फाश नहीं करते हैं. May we please welcome the very beautiful, sensational singer. जब वो गाती है तो न सिर्फ हमारे दिल तक बल्कि रूह तक आवाज पहुंचाती है. Shivani Kashyap for us, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, this looks truly amazing. So are we ready for the unveiling, friends? All right, so we're gonna have the countdown of 10. All right, and आराम से करेंगे. We're taking our positions. We're gonna have the countdown of 10. At 1, we're gonna have the grand unveiling. Let's go. 10. You can join me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, on the cover page, presenting Vardhaman Group, Society, Interiors and Design. I'm going to request my dignitaries to please join us ahead of the unveiling with a beautiful picture where we have all the projects of the Vardhaman Group. That's Mumbai's real estate, redefining luxury and innovation. Swati ma'am, you can smile. We're proud of you and your work. Thank you. We're truly thankful, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry, sir. सारे options दे देंगे friends from the media. आप जब तक खुश नहीं होते, सारे permutation, combination सब करने वाले हैं हमारे. We're truly thankful to Invincible, this amazing place, and मुझे वादा याद है. Towards the end आपका भी picture होगा, तो आप आराम से मुस्कुराएं, हाँ, tension ना लें, मुझे याद है. Thank you. उन्होंने पहले कहा आज भूल मत जाना, मैंने कहा नहीं. So friends, this is a very, very beautiful moment, as I'm going to kindly request Ashok Damankar sir and Swati ma'am to kindly felicitate and present. Sir, you stand here. You're my boss. नहीं sir, मैं लाऊंगी sir, आप you be here sir. Today is a very special day for you. राज को राजी रख रही हूँ sir, मैं वरना कह दूंगी. All right. So friends, we're going to felicitate all our distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with Mukesh Rishiji. Perfect. This is perfect, sir. Thank you so much. So you can step a little ahead. You can step a little ahead. Sure. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I know हम ताली मुझे तालियां मिल रही है. मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ आप सबकी. मुझे तो लगा सबके हाथ में मोबाइल फोन हैं, तो आप cheer कर सकते हैं. Wow, amazing city में बजा सकते हैं आप. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, mashallah, what a color. Let's please give it up as we like to felicitate the one and only, the very pretty Preeti Jangiani.
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, इस तरफ हेलो यहाँ देखिए.
Parveen, can I request you to come 2 steps ahead so that we have better clarity in picture? Sure. Hi, how kind. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause for the entrepreneur and leading the film world along with the sports world with his brilliant performances is Parveen the Boss here with us, ladies and gentlemen. And the sunshine girl, जो हम सबके जिंदगी में brightness le aati hai. Please join us ahead. Shibani Kashyap. You look lovely, Shibani. We'd like to also welcome Rajiv. We're going to have a picture with you as well later.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Thank
Hello.
you. One picture with all of you. Coming together closer.
हाँ चलो चलो
Wow.
सेंटर
Magnet Publishing, Society Interiors and Design. We are done, friends from the media? हाँ नहीं लीजिए मैं यहीं
हाँ
पे
चल
हूँ यहीं पे हूँ मुझे हमारी टीम को
सर
invite-
मैं सामने हेलो हाँ ओके
Oh yes, please be here, मुझे cross.
आ जा
Well, friends, it's time for us to invite a beautiful family of Society Interiors and Design. Sunil Kamnekar, Shivendra Parihar, Priya Kamath, Andrea Costabir, Amber Dice, and